In this quick video guide, we're gonna see how we can use the website extensionsblender.org. Now, this is the website where you can get extensions, meaning that you can improve Blender, you can add more functionalities and much more. So I'm gonna click here directly to the first result, and that's the uh, address right there. So it's extensions.blender.org. And here you can search for whatever extensions you need. So you have mainly add-ons that will increase again the number of functionalities that you have in your Blender. And also you have themes if you want to change the interface of the software. And also we dedicated another video guide to this, so if you want to search it in the channel, you will find another video for this. So I'm just going to go here in the add-ons and just showing you that, for example, if we want to get um, an additional add-on like this, well, first of all, we can just see the information here and some instructions. So usually the add-ons will be found in the sidebar here on the right side of the 3D view in Blender. And so we have all the information here when we want to download a specific add-on. So once you're ready, you can just click here, the Get Add-on. And as you can see, we have now the possibility to download it and install it from disk, which again is covered in another video. And also you can see video courses in Blender if you're interested in the channel. But the easiest way now is to just drag it and drop it into Blender. So let me show you this real quick. So as you can see there now in the background, I have Blender. And so all I need to do is find the drag and drop in here. And there you go. And just click and drag and drop it directly in Blender. And you can see it's installing. Now we can also enable it, or we can do it manually. So let's say that we want to do it manually. So I'll say, okay, so right now I have installed it, but it's not enabled. So well, you can use Blender, like the latest version of Blender. Now we go to Edit Preferences, and this is where you can manage the themes, the add-ons, and the extensions. You can also search the extensions from here. This will look for them in the web, but in this case, just gonna go here, and so I'm just gonna type brush, and you can see it's not visible in there. So let me search it for here. That was called brush stroke tools. There it is. And actually it's not installed. So, well, we can install it also from here, or we can click on the little arrow and uninstall it. Okay. And if you want to install it manually, so if you want to download it and then install it, you can install here from disk. And also you can install available updates. So now we should go here and see if it's available. So let's type again brush stroke, and there it is. So sometimes, as you just experienced, the drag and drop doesn't work for some reason, and so you can do it directly by searching it in the get extensions, or you can do it manually. But now it's available. So we can go to the sidebar all the way down. We can see all the add-ons I've installed, and this is the one we just downloaded. So we can now try it and use it. So this will be all for this video guide, really simple video guide. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, subscribe to your channel to stay updated. If you want to support us, please join the channel and check our courses and guides in Blender and many other 3D software, and in general, video software, graphic design software, much more. So thanks for watching. See you in the next.